So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to load fonts in your Adobe InDesign. So for that guys, you will need to open your Google Chrome or any other browser and search for the font. Now select the first website. So right here, after getting on this website, you guys can select any type of font that you like. Let's say we'll go with this one. Now just select that particular font's it's a download button, and now as you can see, the file has been downloaded in the zip format. Now if you open this file, you guys will see something like that. Now cross it and double click on it right here. Now you guys get this pop-up window. Now just select this install button. And now guys, these all fonts are installed into our Adobe InDesign. So now we'll go back into our Adobe InDesign. Yeah, right here. Now you guys will need to create a new file. You guys can create a new file by just selecting this button, or you can choose one of these options right here. Now if you select this button, you guys will get on this window, and you guys can see on the top left corner all of these options right here. You guys can select one of these options and choose one of the many template types. After selecting a particular one, you guys just need to select this create button right here. Now if you select the type tool right here and create a type box right here. So now guys, if you select right into your box, you guys will get on the properties page. Now if you search right here in the font section for that file's name, and that was Cool Gums, so we'll just search for them, Cool Gums, and just like that guys, here you need to select it, and now just type anything that you want, and you can see the text is typing into that particular font. So that's how you guys can be able to load fonts into your Adobe InDesign. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.